Well, hi everyone. Today we are in New Holland, Lancaster County, and we are headed to the Weaverland Auction. And today is Monday, May 11th, and it is cold today. It's 52 degrees. Lots of people are pulling in, and today is going to be a plant auction. They might have a little bit of produce, but primarily it will be plants today. So I'm excited to check it out. I've never been here on a Monday morning, so it's not going to be super busy like it is on some of the other days. So let's head on in. Right when you walk in, they have the information area. If you have any questions, you can ask them right here. And there's the Weaverland clock up on the wall. And then also right when you walk in, they have a neat little food stand. And here's a quick look at their menu. One thing though, bring cash, because I feel the last time they did not accept credit card, they only accepted cash. But they have really good sandwiches and snacks and drinks here. So here's a section of plants that they're going to be auctioning off soon. And they have all kinds of gorgeous plants. They have, hanging baskets of all kinds. They have your bedding plants, annuals, perennials. They have some vegetables. You never know what kind of cool plants you're going to find here at the auction. A lot of businesses will come here to the auction and buy a lot of these plants and vegetables and stuff to sell at their business. So just wanted to show you kind of what's going on today. And look at all these nice flowers. There's so many really pretty flowers. And look how all these marigolds, I like how they're like in blocks. It looks so cool. This group is neat. This is a group of cucumber hanging baskets. That is so cute. I would have never thought to plant a cucumber plant in a hanging basket. So you would buy, like however many are in that lot. It looks like there's 4 cucumber plants. And then look at all these nice ferns. They look really pretty. Lots of really great flowers. The trucks and wagons will back up right there at those bays to be loaded up, and it looks like the auction is about to start. Down there's just a small area of produce. So like I said, today is primarily all the plants. So they're going to come up here then for the plants after the small section of produce is done. 75, 85, 85, $1, $1, take half for all, 85, 1, $1, and then we get it, 85, 1, $1, and then we get it, $80, and then we get it, $1, cheaping up, $1, and then we get 85, 90, 90, 90, 85, 90, 85, buyer number 35. So now everybody's kind of walking up this way to check out the plants and the flowers to see what they want. And here comes everybody. So the flower auction up here is going to start now. $15, These $18, 2 out 6, and they're running at 10, and they're going to get $10, and they're going to get $10, money, and they're going to get $100, and they're going to get $5, the bottom 6 figure, and they're going to get $7, 9, 9, and they're going to get 10, 11, and they're going to get 12, 11, 13, and they're going to get 12, and they're going to get 15, and 9, so call them out, 11.05, 11.05 against. Here comes a wagon full of flowers. Look how pretty that is. And they'll be doing this all day. People will be coming in and unloading their goods. And then people will be buying them and loading their trucks and wagons. So this will go on all day. There's a big box truck that they're going to be loading up with lots of flowers today. $50, 75, going to be $2 a piece. Here down 2, and every quarter. High figure 2, 50, but get 2, 50, here quarter, and 35 figure 2, go to get 35, and 2 and a quarter, 532. Here comes another tractor in, maybe to pick up some stuff. So it's really fun. It's fun just to hang out and watch all this, isn't it? I love coming to these auctions. Here's another wagon. They just brought in a whole wagon full of flowers, so they're unloading them now in their designated section. So they have really pretty things too. A lot of good hanging baskets, so colorful. Isn't that little girl adorable? She's just standing on the wagon watching her dad. That is so sweet. Those are cases of tomatoes. These are all another group of flowers. Most of the flowers being auctioned off, you have to have a tax ID number, but then they do have some miscellaneous items that you don't need a tax ID number, that you can just buy them, you know, like a regular, you know, person with no tax ID number.
14 on here to 15 now, landed at 15, sold 14, 532, 14, $532. Husky red, so now 10, $5, I never get $3, $3, $3, never get $4, $5, $8 now, $9, never get $8,
The cucumber plants are next.
4 cucumber baskets, 10, $10, 7, 7, never get $5, $5, 6, and 5, and never get now, $7, 8, never get 9, never get 10, never get 10, 11, 11, never get now, 12, never get 12, 13, never get 14, on here to 15 now, so 16, never get 15, 17, then 17, never get now, 17, and then 17 and 17, sold $16, 421.
So I'm guessing that was $16 for the 4 cucumber plants. So that's awesome, $4 a plant. So this is so fun. These carts here, somebody purchased these things. So they have carts available to, you know, help you get them to your car. And if you need help, you know, they have people here to help you get your stuff loaded up.
Yep, this one and this one's 11. We was at $11. Both of them, Judy, 1183, got some 1183 July.
Back here, they have more flowers that are going to be auctioned off today. So people are dropping off more stuff now. So super fun day. Here's some strawberries and onions that were auctioned off earlier. Well, this was so cool. I'm so happy we stopped here. This is just so much fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this Amish spring flower auction. It was great. There goes that family. They delivered all their flowers and now they're out of here too, just like we are. So I hope you guys, whatever you're doing today, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.